Hey everyone, a couple new diecast cars in the collection, and when I say diecast, I mean old-fashioned opening diecast. So both these cars are Chinese dealership models, picked up from Alibaba or AliExpress, and that seems to be a good source for getting these dealership models with opening parts for a reasonable price. This is a car a little personal to me. This is the Cadillac CT4. We have this car in the family. My wife drives it, and it's almost identical. It's a CT4 Sport. Hers just happens to be blaze orange. This is, I forgot the name of the red, but is very much red. Now the only difference is in China this is a slightly longer wheelbase, but otherwise this is the same car we get in the US. We don't have open grills. Bit of a bummer. Wheels and tires are pretty good. Accurate. My wife again has the exact same 18-inch wheels. The CT4 is on the Alpha platform. It's made on the same assembly line as the Camaro and the CT5. It's made in Lansing, Michigan, which I visited not too long ago when I picked up my Blackwing. You have a carpeted trunk, a plastic liner in there. You do have dog legs. This is not a particularly high-end model. The fuel door does open. The mirrors fold in and out. A common feature on these Chinese dealership models. Interior detailing is pretty good. Again, carpeted. The sunroof doesn't open. They sometimes do on these again. Open up the back door. So there you go. Interior detailing is actually pretty good. Doesn't have any glaring paint flaws like some of my other recent dealership models. Under the hood you have a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, 237 horsepower. These have 8-speed automatics, automatic only. If you want to get a manual, the only way in is the Blackwing, which happens to be my daily driver lately. It's the detail underneath. So interestingly enough, the packaging through the dealership models to lower the price, they don't really give you an actual package. This is just taped styrofoam, you know. But wound up being about $80, including shipping. And, you know, shipping from China is about $25 to $40. So I'm kind of willing to give up a pretty box for a price like that. At that price, I'm certainly not mad at it. And it's the same shipment came this Ford Explorer ST. This is a big, again, heavy diecast. The ST is their kind of light performance line. It's not a full-on SVT product. It's not like raptorized or anything like that. Again, not an open grill. These have a 3-liter EcoBoosts twin-turbo V6, about 400 horsepower. Again, you have dog legs. This sunroof actually does slide, if you can get it to slide. There you go. So that's always neat. Again, with the folding mirrors. Paint, again, not really an issue on this one. Pretty detailed wheels and tires. Again, this is an exclusive. I don't think anyone else is making the... This is the latest Explorer. It's been out for about 5 years now, this body style. Again, carpeted interior. It looks like the seats fold a little bit. Show the back seat. Kind of a boring black interior, but the blue is a nice exterior color though. Again, we do have an opening fuel door. Carpeted in the back. If you pull this up, it exposes not much, but it exposes something. A little extra storage. The back seat folds a little bit. From what you can make out, it's hard to make out, but yeah, back seat does fold. All carpeted back there too. So again, a pretty nice model, and again about the same price, same packaging, about $80 landed. Both these came landed with tax for $175, which I don't know, kind of hard to beat at that price. You know, I get complaints sometimes that there's so much resin on the channel, and here's opening diecast. So go to AliExpress, you'll see a bunch of cars. Look for free shipping, and they kind of can't be beat at this price. So that's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.